I know he's not trying not to say I have no idea what I'm doing on this channel anymore because we're always learning. Forgot about that one.
With all the afternoon thunderstorms we've been getting, we're really excited to get the roof on the house. Unfortunately, we're not there yet. We're going to finish up some sheathing on the side walls, the vertical walls, and then we can move on to that. One big project that we have been a little late on doing but finally got done is installing the hatch through the subfloor to access the crawl space underneath. We were able to finally put in the insulating materials and finishing products down there that have been occupying space in our yard I guess, in the crawl space, so now that's ready to go. Another big thing that was accomplished was Brian was able to drill through the foundation using this fancy machinery here to get in the access point for the septic.
Oh yeah. Oh look, there's a hole.
There's a hole.
Ah!
So here we are in the crawl space.
Right at the start. We don't know what we're doing. Takes us 5 days. We figure it out. It takes us 5 minutes. That's how you build a house.
How to build a house.
One way that we improved our quality of life was installing this electronic gate opener, getting really fancy over here. And we also finished framing the sidewalls. These are non-load bearing, but we want them to be as strong as possible.
All right, so Chelsea here is installing this protectant Nudura. It's going to be for the below grade in the winter. So and I guess got a little too excited. We got the excavator. I come to learn that it's going to take a long time with the 18-inch bucket for backfill for how much we have for our. So later on we do switch to another machine. It's like I forget what it's actually called, but it's a mini skid steer. So we're doing the backfill here, just trying to get stuff in. I used an excavator before last year. It was fun. I was ready to get off this machine very fast. It just jostles you. If you ever see someone who's running one of these things, and give them kudos, because it does take some skill. I'm trying not to hit the house, so I'm definitely freaking out. But now that's the front. So this is why we actually got the excavator, for not running the lines, but just the conduit, because in a few months there's going to be a freeze in Colorado, and you're not going to want to dig. I don't know. I won't say want to, but I don't know if you can. I don't know. I can't say I had a great time running this, saying it was fun or not, but we got most done in the back. We'll have some stuff to do. You'll see, like, you got to clean up some stuff. No big deal. But we are running to the situation where I'm going to be getting our first contractor to help us out. So
Everything is dust. Oh my gosh. I just went in to put in more sunscreen on my face, and I don't even know if I got the sunscreen on my skin because I'm covered in so much dirt. So showering today is going to be nice.
Backfill, not so much fun, and without the right tools, it makes it very, very, very to do it safely. So a neighbor of ours has all the equipment and everything and does this for a living, does everything with dirt. He's going to come help us out in the next week or two. That's backfill.
I don't know if you've noticed, guys, backfill is not super exciting. It's like way more exciting to like time lapse it and see it all moving really quickly. But the like in the midst of it thing, not the most exciting thing we've done. to the house, but it is important, so we're gonna keep going.